How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about 3 trades I took on SPY today. 2 of these trades went 200%. Another one was a beautiful scalp, but be sure to stick around to the end of this video. I have something special for you all. You do not want to miss out on that. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right to it. First trade I took today, we caught the very bottom of this candle you see here on SPY. I called this trade out live. Beautiful entry. Of course, I paper handed. What's new? But very nice trade. I hit my daily go off this trade. As you can see here, pushed up over 200%. Some members did hold this to the very top. Now, the reason I took this trade was this key level I've been watching on SPX is 4100, solid support area. And it's been a solid resistance in the past. Very dominant level. Took my first ad right at the bottom of this. I was going to add more here, which honestly I had a decent size ad here. On SPX, that's not a whole lot of movement, 5 points. So I got in, took this beautiful trade up. Now we pushed up all the way to this big resistance, a key level that I was watching as well. If you watch my weekly watch list on here, you know exactly what I was watching, but I called out puts. Unfortunately, I didn't hold here. I got a little impatient. I was kind of done trading. I don't like to spend all my morning trading. I like to make my money, hit my daily goal, go on about my day. And I got out early. Members held. They made really good money off the move down here. Another trade I did take and did make money on. I've seen it happen several times. Yes, it wasn't high probability, but when we pulled back down to this 4100, I took this bounce. I've seen this happen several times. When you have data, we have movement like this, it tends to trade in between these big support and resistance levels. So I said, okay, I'm going to give this a shot here. Caught this trade. Literally caught it right on the bottom of this candle again. I was all out right here. Beautiful scalp. The contracts moved really good. Looks like it's about to push on up there. Very happy with my overall day. Yes, I could have held longer and made more money, but it worked out. Team Bull members make money. It's a win-win to me. Now, for those that are still around, I want to talk about the Mastermind that we have going on. Program that teaches you how to trade. We got some of the best traders I know teaching it. Myself, Jadon, got GD teaching supply and demand. Brandon, he'll be talking about swing strategies. You'll get all my strategies, a breakdown. We'll go over risk management. This is over a month-long program. There's many other instructors that teach in there. It's definitely something you need to consider if you're serious about trading or want to take your trading to the next level. I'm going to leave a link to join the waiting list because it's coming up soon. This one's coming to an end, so it's time to get ready. Even if you're not 100% sure if you want to join it or not, just go ahead and get on that waiting list. That way you secure your spot and you'll get a notification when it's time to complete the process. That's all I have for you all. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.